Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of GST on the sales. Means if you are selling the goods from one state to another state, how to pass the entry. That is nothing but business to consumer. Okay, see for example, I am taking 12% items. 12% items which is comes under like sewing machine, cell phone, ketchup, sauces, okay, and frozen meat products, butter, cheese, ghee, all these things. So I already created one company, MK company. The activation steps and all, we have to go to the effluent futures, statutory and taxation. Here enable goods and services taxes, set or alter GST details. Here Karnataka, the same steps and all, enter it. Now you can give the PAN number and corporate identity number. First we have to create the ledgers. Accounts info, ledger, create. Central sales means we are selling goods from one state to another state, means definitely we have to take it as a central state at 12% under sales account. Applicable, yes. Interstate sales taxable 12%, which is comes under goods. Next, output IGST. For sales output, for purchases input, so you can take it as output IGST at 12% under duties and taxes, GST integrated 12%, normal rounding 1. Now I will create one more party. See for example, KP and company as a sundry debtor. For sales we have to give sundry debtor. Sundry debtor is a person, one who receives. Now I will give the different state name Kerala. Here set or alter GST detail is, we have to take it as business to consumer, so we have to take the registration type is consumer, enter. So all the three ledgers over. Now I already created the stock item for 12%, so no need to create, directly I can pass the vouchers. Accounting voucher F8 sales, so we have to take it as KP company as a party. Here central sales at 12%. Here you can take it as interstate sales taxable. Okay, so 12% for cell phone. Next you can make it as frozen meat products. Frozen meat products is not there, so I will create with the shortcut key of Alt C, frozen meat products. So it comes under meat products. Should quantity of items to be added? Yes. So it is to be measured in kgs. Applicable? Yes. On value taxable. So it comes under 12%. Now rate value. Now output IGST at 12%. Okay. Enter. Now I created all the vouchers. If you want to see in the display daybook, see here sales voucher KP company. Okay, now if you want to see in the GST display statutory reports GST R1. See here it is showing business to consumer. Business to consumer in the sense the invoice amount should be more than 2,50,000. It is comes under business to consumer large. Large in the sense the invoice amount should be more than 2,50,000. Okay, if it is a small means business to consumer small means the invoice amount should be less than 2.5 lakhs. So it comes under small. Large means the invoice amount should be more than 2,50,000, but here it is showing 54 lakhs, so it is a more than 2,50,000, so it comes under business to consumer. So this is the way what we have to create the GST calculation on the percentage of 12% or 18% or 3 or 28, any percentage with out of state, means if you are selling the goods from Karnataka to other state. So okay, for alteration and deletion you can go to the same procedure what I explained in the last video. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.